would you like to save money on the things you're already buying? First of all, you go in here and you look at the website. It shows you all the different topics where you can get information about how you can do that. And if you go back, and since we were talking about saving money, let's click on deals. You click on deals here, and it shows you some of the places you can save money: where you eat, where you play, where you shop, where you travel. Let's go back into the system again. And if you go there, it shows you, if you want to download an app on your mobile, you just go there and you can download your app. And if you go here, it shows you all your own info, your order history. And if you click on, once you start advertising, you click on referrals, you get an email with each referral and a phone number. So if you want to follow up, you got all their information right there. Then you go to webinars. They have 3 webinars a week, one on Monday, one on Wednesday, and one on Friday. And let's say you can't make them all, don't worry, you can just rewatch the replays on YouTube. Now you go back into the system again. Let me see what I want to show you here next. My referrals, webinar, my websites. They call them websites, but I call them landing pages or capture pages. Sure, it gives you information about their system, and there's lots of them. You can use whichever one you want for your advertising. I use more than one depending where I'm sending them to, so it's entirely up to you. So if we go back into the system, see how many, there's just oodles of them. So you definitely have something that'll be suitable for you. And you go back into the system again, and if you click on training, it shows you all. First of all, you should watch this short video here. It tells you some information. Then you click on here, you get a 90-day blitz. And then if you go in here, it shows you all your marketing material where you can market. And here, if you go here, it shows you the compensation plan. And it's a lot better to watch that video than have somebody try to explain it to you. And here's some more places where you can save money. So if you go back into the system again, like I said, and for marketing material, it shows you all the different topics and places where you can save money, travel, and different places. So when you're in there, and each one of them has sample emails you can use to do your advertising. You can use your own or you can use those. It's entirely up to you. Now if you go back into the system again, and of course if you click on training, saving. I'm sorry, I haven't done this very often yet. I don't think there's much more to tell you today. I'm going to put my contact information under the video, and also a link where you can watch this video, and with the same link you can join. And I hope you people are having great weather, because we're having great weather this year. And thank you for listening, and we'll talk to you next week. Bye for now.